Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Justin Lin here at Rehab and Revive Physical Therapy, where we rehab your mind to revive your body. So I wanted to have this discussion about when I watch some people walk their dogs, who's walking who? Is the dog walking you or you walking the dog? So we're going to talk about some tips and some information about how to safely walk your dog and prevent injuries. Stay tuned. So the main problems with walking your dog and the injuries that may incur are usually because you're getting pulled at the leash and the dog is walking you and you're getting yanked and the arms can dislocate and all that fun stuff. Now this happens to those of you who have larger dogs. Of course, you can get pulled and yanked by smaller little terrors that are just, running after their best friends and stuff. So yeah, you want to be able to know that there's safe ways to do this. A lot of the problems that can occur with holding the leash and getting yanked, well, let's start at the bottom. You've got issues at your ankle. You can sprain your ankle, especially if you're wearing flip-flops. You've got knee strains, you've got lower back. You can lock and pinch some nerves in your lower back, neck, and of course you can hurt your arm. And of course you end up with tendonitis like golfer's elbow or some of this other stuff that's just not fun when you have to hold the leash very tight. So we've got our dog here, Delta, and some of you have met her before, and we want to show you how we walk her and walk her safely. All right, that was no fun as Delta tried to chase after her favorite toy, the pine cone. So I want to do things a little differently, and I want to save my lower back. What we want to do is there's a couple ways to do it. You could actually, if you have a regular leash or something, that you could just throw it right behind that lower buttock here. And that way you're holding one end and holding a little bit of the other. And you can kind of control that by just sitting, right? So that's gonna be the key. Just sit and then you can slow down the momentum. So when they're trying to pull, they have to pull your whole weight. Now the best way I like it frees up my hands so I can be on my cell phone, drinking a little bit of coffee, and then just walking Delta nice and easy, because when she takes off, she has to either take off my whole body or that's what it is. So I just have her looped around here, and then I let her pull as much as she wants, and all I do is lean back. So hopefully you enjoy those two simple solutions to save your lower back and other body parts from injuries. And yeah, we really love for you to share with us your feedback about trying this out, especially if you have larger dogs, and really save yourself from getting any future injuries. A very simple fix. We'd love to hear your comments, so leave your feedback below. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, we'd love for you to subscribe right now and show your support. Thank you for all of those of you who have supported us this past year, and leave likes if you think this is a good video. I'm Dr. Lin. Remember, we heal smarter, not harder.